In this video, we'll use the Desmos graphing calculator to solve a linear system by graphing the equations. Before we start, let's review what a linear system is. In general, two equations represent a related situation, and the goal is to find the solution to the system in the form of a pair of coordinates whose values make the original equations true. Solving a linear system by graphing involves plotting the equations on the coordinate plane and finding where or if the graphs intersect. The coordinates of that point of intersection, when you plug them into the original equations, make each equation true. Let's look at an example. Suppose you want to find the solution to this linear system. 2x plus y equals 5, and 4x minus 3y equals negative 15. When graphing a linear system, ordinarily you would want to rewrite each equation in slope-intercept form, but Desmos allows you to work with the standard form. So open a Desmos window, input the equations. Start with the first equation, 2x plus y equals 5. Input 2x plus y equals 5. You'll see the graph of the line. Now input the second equation in standard form. 4x minus 3y equals negative 15. You'll see the graph of that line. Find the point of intersection and hover over it. Here you see that this system has a solution of 0, 5. Meaning that x equals 0 and y equals 5. Take these values for x and y and plug them into each equation to test them. Start with the first equation. We get 2 times 0 plus 5 equals 5. The 2 times 0 term drops off, and we get 5 equals 5, which is a true equation. So this is a solution to this first equation. Now let's try it with the second equation. 4 times 0 minus 3 times 5 equals negative 15. This term drops off, and negative 3 times 5 is negative 15, which in fact equals negative 15. So this is also true. In both cases, the graphical solution results in true equations when we plug in the values.